Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to public comment on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app and find a video you want to comment on. Look for the speech bubble icon, usually on the right side of the screen. Tapping this icon will open the comment section. You'll see a field at the bottom that says Add Comment. Tap there to start typing your message. It's a simple way to share your thoughts with the creator and other viewers. Once you've finished typing your comment, take a moment to quickly read it over. Make sure it says exactly what you intend and is free of any typos. When you're satisfied, look for the red Post button, which often looks like a paper airplane. Tapping this button will publish your comment. It will then be visible to everyone who views the video's comment section, allowing for public interaction. Beyond just posting your own thoughts, you can also engage with other comments. To reply directly to someone, simply tap on their comment and a reply field will appear. You can also show your appreciation for a comment by tapping the heart icon, which acts as a like button. If you encounter anything inappropriate, long press the comment and select Report to flag it. This helps keep the community positive. When commenting, always aim to be respectful and constructive. Your words contribute to the overall community vibe, so keep it positive. Avoid sharing any personal information about yourself or others, and try not to get drawn into arguments. Remember, your comments are public. Also, for a great way to stay hydrated, check out the Oala water bottle link in the description, along with other fantastic deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.